Chia seeds are tiny, but they are full of goodness. These little seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. They have been eaten for centuries, cherished by ancient civilizations for their remarkable benefits. Aztecs and Mayans used them for energy, endurance, and even medicinal purposes. Today we call them a superfood, recognizing their exceptional nutritional profile. This means they are very good for us, offering a range of health benefits from fiber to omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds don't have a strong flavor, making them versatile in various recipes. This makes them easy to add to food, enhancing the nutritional value without altering the taste. You can put them in yogurt, creating a delicious and healthy snack, salads, adding a crunchy texture, or smoothies for an extra boost of nutrients. They can even make you feel full, which is helpful when you're watching what you eat, aiding in weight management. Let's find out more about this amazing seed and how it can benefit our health in numerous ways. Don't let their size fool you. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of health benefits. They are full of things our bodies need, like essential vitamins and minerals. They have fiber, which is good for digestion, helping to keep our digestive system running smoothly. They also have protein, which helps build and repair our bodies, making them great for muscle recovery. Chia seeds also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for our overall health. These are healthy fats that are good for the heart and brain, supporting cognitive function and cardiovascular health. They also have antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. With all these nutrients, it's no wonder chia seeds are so good for us. Incorporating them into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your health. Eating chia seeds regularly offers numerous health benefits. Due to their high fiber content, they aid digestion and keep things moving smoothly. This can prevent constipation and keep your gut happy. Chia seeds can also make you feel full and satisfied after eating. This can help control your appetite and prevent overeating. They're also good for your heart, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. Section 4. Effortless incorporation. Adding chia seeds to your diet. Adding chia seeds to your diet is incredibly easy. They have a mild, slightly nutty flavor that doesn't overpower other ingredients. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutritional boost. Chia seeds can also be added to smoothies. They will blend in smoothly and add a boost of nutrition and thickness. Another great way to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Section 5. Delicious and nutritious easy chia seed recipes. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition, packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes to boost your daily nutrient intake. Let's start with a classic chia pudding recipe. This is a simple and delicious way to enjoy chia seeds, and it's perfect for breakfast or a healthy snack. Basic chia pudding. In a jar or container, combine 1/4 cup chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk. Almond, coconut, or cow's milk all work well. You can also experiment with other plant-based milks like oat or soy milk for different flavors and textures. Add a touch of sweetness with honey or maple syrup if desired. You can also use agave nectar or a few drops of vanilla extract for a different twist. Stir well and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. This allows the chia seeds to fully absorb the liquid and expand, creating a thick, pudding-like consistency. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and create a pudding-like consistency. This makes for a creamy and satisfying treat that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Top with fresh fruit, granola, or nuts for added flavor and texture. You can also add a dollop of yogurt or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra burst of flavor. Quick chia seed smoothie. In a blender, combine 1 cup of frozen fruit, berries, mango, or banana work well, 1/2 cup of your choice of milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a handful of spinach or kale for an extra nutritional boost. You can also add a scoop of protein powder or a spoonful of nut butter for added protein and creaminess. Blend until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You can adjust the thickness of the smoothie by adding more or less milk. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, use less milk or add more frozen fruit. Energy-boosting chia seed bites. In a food processor, combine 1 cup of dates, 1/2 cup of nuts, almonds, cashews, or walnuts, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. You can also add a splash of vanilla extract or a handful of shredded coconut for extra flavor. Pulse, until the mixture forms a sticky dough. This may take a few minutes, so be patient and make sure everything is well combined. Roll the dough into bite-sized balls. This is a fun activity to do with kids, and they can help shape the balls. You can coat them in shredded coconut or cocoa powder for added flavor and texture. You can also roll them in crushed nuts or seeds for a different crunch. Store the energy balls in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will keep for up to a week, making them a convenient and healthy snack option. Section 6. Embrace the power of chia for a healthier you. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse offering a wide range of health benefits. From boosting your energy levels to supporting digestion and promoting heart health, these tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. Try incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine and experience the difference for yourself. Share your favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds and inspire others to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small changes can lead to big results.